Well, hello everyone. It's Ashley here from Lovely Commotion. Thanks for dropping in. I wanted to share with you something quick and hopefully something to help you take something off your end of the year to-do list. So many of you are wrapping up your preschool year and getting ready to say goodbye to your little friends. And it's always such a bittersweet moment because you know they're ready to go. You know they're ready to fly and go experience new things. But it's also not easy because you've poured all this time and love into them and then they're just leaving. And so it's a bittersweet time, but it's also a busy time. We always have so much to do during end of the year, right? So I'm hoping what I'm sharing with you today will take one thing off your to-do list. So when we go to do some graduation ceremonies for our preschoolers, we kind of want to just mark that occasion, right? We just want to kind of make a big deal about our kids moving on and taking a step out of preschool and into what my kiddos at school like to call big school. And so, one way we do that is through giving diplomas. And I know many of you do this as well. And that little diploma may just be a piece of paper to them now, right? It doesn't mean a whole lot, but it does to their families. And they keep that in their keepsake tub and they later can see it where I went to preschool, kind of reminisce on that. And it almost just marks this end of a season in their life, right? Like I am done being a kid who goes to preschool, a younger kid. I'm now stepping into the role of being this big kindergartner. And so it kind of signifies that. So today I want to share with you free diplomas because I know you already have a ton to do. So I'm hoping these will help you. You can either print them out and handwrite them, or I've got an editable file for you in Adobe Reader. So I just wanted to show it to you real fast. Hopefully take something off your to-do list here. So this one is one example. This one says preschool diploma. Cute little border around it. And then there's another one that says pre-kindergarten diploma. Like I said, you could easily print these off and just handwrite them. There's a spot for their name. Congratulations to who completed pre-kindergarten at, and here you put your preschool name, and then the signature and a date. So if you like to handwrite things, which I really do, I almost feel like it's like a piece of me going home with them. I know that sounds super silly and corny, but it kind of does feel like that. But if you're wanting it to maybe go a little bit faster, or you are wanting it to look a little bit more professional, you can definitely edit these and you can add your own heading. So I'm going to show you how to do that, but just promise me that if you download these, you are going to open them in Adobe Reader. It will not work in your web browser. So let me show you what this looks like here. Here's the pre-kindergarten diploma that I had just showed you. And this is the one where you can just print it out if you would like to. And then if we scroll down, there's a black and white version, just in case you are low on colored ink. You could even put these on some really fun colored paper. That might be fun. And then here's another one with a different border that is pre-kindergarten, another black and white, and then preschool diploma with a different layout here, two little graduation kids and graduation caps, again in black and white. And then here's the second design of the preschool diploma and black and white. And so then we get down into the editable portion. So if you call preschool something else, maybe it's transitional kindergarten or something of that nature, you can go ahead and type right in here. So I could type in transitional kindergarten, and that can be my title. And then I can go ahead and put the name in. That's my kiddo's name. He is definitely not in pre-kindergarten anymore. I wish he was. Who completed, and you can decide if you want to write in transitional kindergarten or if you want to write in preschool or whatever it is that you want to put in there. And then at, and you can put your preschool's name here. And then down here you can even put whatever date it is, May 18th, 2021, whatever it is. So then you can go in and you can just print this one. So I like to use this little tab on the side, and I like to just select the one that I just did if it's gonna let me here. It's gonna be cranky. There we go. And I like to just print that one page. You can say print page and it will pop up, and you can just say the current page. That's the one you want to print. And so that's how you could do that as well. There's a black and white one here, and this went ahead and filled it in all of them for you. But if you want to change it, all you got to do is just highlight it and change it. So there's the two different designs in color and black and white, and also you can fill it in to say whatever you would like. So hoping this file is helpful for you, I will drop the link in the comments of this video so that you can go grab it and just check one thing off your end of year to do checklist, because boy, do we have enough on it, don't we? So drop me a comment, let me know, are these helpful? Is this something you can use? And I will see you next week. Bye, friends.